Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was out at Steve Holcomb Pro Auto Custom Interiors, and they were just finishing up a 70 Camaro. I think y'all are going to like hole in the hood, you know, second generation Camaro. I'm a big fan of that. But anyways, let me get the camera turned around. We'll take a quick look at it. Steve, I'm a big fan of these second generation Camaros, and this one with your interior in it, man, that's just out of the park for sure.
Thank you. Yeah, 70 is about one of my favorites. 70 to 73, you know, the split bumper kind of slammed on the ground, a big motor. I mean, that's, to me, that's the ultimate hot rod. I just like those. I agree with you. That's one of my favorites.
Dude, they look fast just sitting still.
Oh, yeah, that thing's just crazy looking.
Right. Tell me what you did inside on this one.
Well, the owner, Bob Harris, he brought the car up to me and never really even knew me. But then he seen the cars and stuff we did. He was like, he said, I really feel weird. I'm dropping off my car and all this money and my trailer, and I don't even know you. He said, but I feel like I've known you forever. So I was like, well, cool. So, but yeah, he told us just do whatever. He requested houndstooth, and I was like, I don't know. Even when he called, you know, when he called me, he's like, I was like, you sure you want to put houndstooth in this? And I got to thinking about it and got to looking at it. I said, you know, it'd probably look different if we not do it like an original, but do something more of a modern style with the houndstooth
twist to it. Yeah, right.
So that's what we did. Tim Johnson actually come up with the design for the seat, and I looked at it and I liked it and approved of it. And I was like, yeah, that's good. And we'll go ahead and go for that. And then of course Tim built a full console all the way back. You know, we built a 4-bucket seat look in it and custom made door panels with the LED light back strip in it, and had to put a stock headliner in this one just because the roll bars was so tight to the roof you couldn't really do nothing else but that, and we barely got that in.
Right. And the dash, what'd you do to that?
The top part of the dash was original, and then everything else, I mean, we had to do a lot of custom work to the top of the dash just to get it where it was smooth and, you know, not all ripply and things like that. Put a French seam in it. Everything below the original dash, all the things where the air conditioning ducts are, we made all that stuff custom. Tim did a good job making all that stuff, incorporating the late model touchscreen TV with the navigation and the console again, you know, right, front to back. So it all fit good, and it looks like it obviously, you know, could have came that way. So that's why we like to do them. I hate gaudy. I like really cool, neat looking things that, you know, just flows with the car. He's got a good looking car, and he's got a good looking interior, and I think it all fit really nice.
I do too. And you kept the trunk simple?
Trunk is simple, yeah. The back of it is a big speaker box. I mean, that thing's got a killer stereo in it. It's got four speakers, subwoofer. It's got a big amp. We usually make a subfloor for the bottom of the trunk, so it's got a big amp underneath there. And then on the right-hand side, it's got the battery cutoff switch and things like that inside that.
Right, and I like the that was the Camaro emblem that would have came on this generation Camaro.
Yeah, right? We just put it was black and white, and it matched the car. You know, the stripes was black and white, so I was like, yeah, that'll look good. We'll just keep it clean and just put the Camaro emblem back here. So.
No, awesome job, guys.
Well, I appreciate it, Scotty.
I thought before I ran, I would give you a little closer look at up under the hood, right? More than what's just peeking through the hole in the hood. From what I understand, it's a 440 cubic inch small block SB2 by Vic Hill racing engines, all aluminum. That's what I understand. Looks all aluminum. It looks like it fits the car well, don't you agree? I mean, it's a cool car, needs a motor like that. Very nice. Yeah, no, I think it's, you know, they did a nice job. It's, you know, it's exactly what you'd expect to find up underneath here. Not really custom, stock looking, but all business motor. Because I got a feeling that's what this car's about, getting out and having some fun with it. So there you go from Steve Holcomb Pro Auto Custom Interiors. One very cool 1970 Camaro Pro Touring kind of street machine looking thing. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.